Ito ang aming camp for today. Lopang Dalisdis. Yan ang aming mga cars. Happy birthday, bossing. Wala. Oh, may nandun mo sa bag. Hi!
Two.
So, ito po ang aming camping ngayon. Dito kami sa set up.
Hindi na namin tutugtong sa amin. Parang tayo.
So, nandito kami yung sa Lupang Dalisdis sa Liliw, Laguna, camping. Ito yung aming setup. Yung maliit na yan na white. Ako dyan. Ako, solo camper ako ngayon. Sa malaking nasa gitna, sa mga kuya yan. Diyan matutulog lahat sila. So, sa mga ate dyan na yan, current situation. Kami lang ang tao ata dito. Break muna.
Hello, how are you? CPR.
Ito ate set up for today. Yan ang ating hihigaan. Oh my God. Feeling ko para nalobo nga yung higaan. Para. Feeling ko. Hindi pa. Current situation here. Ito aming tents. The rules. More kubo there. Doon ang kagasan. Ito yung mga tent namin. I'm with the kids now. Hi.
What else do you think is up here? What else is up here? Nothing.
Why are you looking at your face?
Just step on those thingies.
Even can you? I will try the swing. Okay. Can you take a video of me?
I'll do it.
I-
What's up?
Pag ikaw, sisipahin pa kita.
oh my God.
Okay. Watch this.
Tutulungan tayo din.
Wag.
I'll push
There.
you.
Oh, even oh.
Don't.
Don't there. Stand there.
Okay. I'm a vlogger.
Don't push me. Oh my God. Oh my. Evie. Don't push me.
It's not gonna be scary.
Okay, go to easy na. Okay, video easy.
Oh, what's up? These are a lot of steps.
Cold? Are you cold?
No, point to that.
Okay, how can I go down? Okay, wait. Okay, I cannot go down.
Oopsie.
How was it? Good.
Are you okay na finish?
Okay, here.
Later na lang ulit.
Oh.
Try mo,
Bye.
pagpunta dyan, palipat dito sa...
Ito ang mga final look ng mga tents namin. Tent tour. Wow, sana all. Ang ganda. Hey. Sana all.
Grabe naman yung mga aso dito.
Meron tayong ibang daan, mas maganda yung daan dun. Dito kasi mabababaw yan. Hindi ko, iba pa yung Buenos Aires. Yung sa 50 nyo po,
Later again na po yun.
yun na po yun. Sa the whole stay na po yun. Yung ako, nagbabayad pa kasi ako nung kunyari. Papunta kayo.
Punta kami ngayon sa ilog
maganda
na.
kasi may tulay dun. Pagdaan yun dun, may bayad pa rin yan.
Waterproof? Yeah. Oh, nice. I was a good cameraman.
Later, when I have the tripod. Pinabot na kami ng ulan, guys. Who's helping you? Go, guys! Oh my God, kailangan namin tumawid doon, guys. Current situation. Grabe. Nakakatakot. Kinakabahan ako.
That waterproof?
Yeah.
Wow. Rich person.
So ito guys, yung river. Lamig na ang bunda. How's the river? Evie?
Good.
Good? Did you enjoy?
Yes. Why is there a toilet?
I don't know.
They might maybe supposed to be on there. While the neighbor is in the car watching him pee at the toilet.
Kita niyo ba yung river?
Go!
Weather today dito sa Laguna. Makulimlim tapos na ulan-ulan na ng very light. Sana, ang taking hiling ko lang ngayon ay sana hindi nabasa yung loob ng tent ko. Please lang kasi ang hirap. Na-enjoy lang natin ang ulan. Current situation after raining. nabasa. May basa pa yung kakasama ka lato. Yung loob kaya. Hindi talaga siya ko.
Hanapin ko lang.
Ito naman yung sinain namin. Hindi ko nakita. Cutie.
What are those creatures? There's one more in the car. It's mine.
Uuwi ko na.
What's that? Oh! Iwan na kayo?
So, ito ang ating current setup. Patulog na po ako. Sorry, medyo magulo. Solo lang. Simple lang solo. Nasa solo comfort tayo for today's video. So, just woke up, guys. Good morning. Medyo maulan. Tapos na ulan kanina madaling araw dito. Dito hindi masyado na umuulan ng ulan. Good morning, Lincoln.
That's nice. It will be later. Ano pinagkainan ni Ibi? Akala ko na siya na. Akala ko na po.
Abot mo sa akin yung segment.
Time to say goodbye. Bye. See you on our next camping trip.